Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to study letters and sounds and diphthongs. Let's start. The English alphabet consists 26 letters. Each letter has an uppercase capital letter and a lowercase small letter form. 5 of the letters in the English alphabet are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Letters are written, sounds are spoken. When we write, we use the writing spelling alphabet which consists of 26 letters. When we speak, we use the speaking phonetic alphabet which consists of 44 sounds called phonemes. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound within a spoken word. The word comes from the Greek word phonema, which means sounds. Letters are a code of symbols that spell phonemes in words. When we read, we translate the symbols into sounds and thus we decode words. There are 44 sounds in English which are divided into 3, namely number 1, vowel sounds, number 2, consonant sounds, number 3, diphthongs. Vowels, 5 letters, 20 sounds. Pure vowel, 12 sounds. Diphthongs, 8 sounds. Long sounds of vowel, 5 sounds. Short sounds, 7 sounds. Consonant, 21 letters, 24 sounds. Voiced sound of consonant, 15 sounds. Voiceless sound of consonant, 9 sounds. Vowel, a sound we make when the breath flows out through the mouth freely without being blocked. The English letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels because they represent such sounds. Consonants. Consonant, a sound we make that isn't a vowel. The breath is somehow blocked on the way of the mouth. The letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z and usually W and Y are called consonants. There are many ways of learning to spell the words correctly. Ricky memorizes the letter order in words to learn the spelling. T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. Nikki spells the word by identifying each unit of speech sound within it. Th, A, D, A. The word Thursday has 8 letters. There are 5 speech sounds. To hear the phoneme in a word, one must break the word up into its sound. This is called segmenting. For example, take the word fun. When I segment it, it sounds like this. In this word, each phoneme is spelled by one letter. Some phonemes have more than one letter, which together make a speech sound. In the written form, the letters that represent the phonemes are called grapheme. For example, the letter O, W in bow, O, U in soul, O, A in boat, and O, U, G, H in do make the speech sound O. Speech sound O phoneme. O, W, O, U, O, A, O, U, G, H are grapheme. Diphthongs. D means two and thong means sound. When a vowel sound formed by the combination of two vowel sounds, it is known as diphthongs. For example, couch. A complex vowel sound that begins with the sound of one vowel and ends with the sound of another vowel in the same syllable. In another way, a diphthong begins as one vowel sound and moves towards another. For example, coin, cloud, toil, destroy, town. There are 8 diphthongs: AW, AU, EW, OO, OI, OY, OW, and OU. Now to pronounce the sounds correctly, please repeat after me. Ear, ear, ear. Day, day, day. Pair, pair, pair. Five, five, five. Cure, cure, cure. Boy, boy, boy. Go, go, go. Cow, cow, cow. I hope you understand, inshallah. Now it's homework time. Read the words aloud. Draw a line through the words having the same vowel sound. I am giving you a sheet of diphthongs. Try to pronounce the sounds correctly. Allah Hafiz.